British telecom provider EE recently presented its new flagship store in London's Westfield shopping centre. The space shows how technology can enhance your life and invites visitors to return to the space for community events. In a world where e-commerce has become flat and uninspiring, customers crave more. Meaningful connections, personalized experiences, and radical convenience. In this video series, Frame explores projects that aim to push the boundaries of what retail is, bridging the gap between digital and physical while deepening relationships with customers. This is Frame Views, Connected Retail.
We wanted to create a one-of-a-kind retail platform, so it's the only one that's going to be in existence at this scale. Then it's all about your digital life and your connected home. So figuring out everything about your connected life as it is and your connected home and bringing all of that together. Somewhere you can learn about new technologies. Mobile telecom providers, they're providing the same things. So to be meaningful in people's lives, you need to have great service, but you also need to help people learn and understand about technology and kind of be a partner for people along the way.
This was all about positioning the brand in a completely different light, so away from the phone shop reputation of old and presenting it really as a lifestyle tech provider for everybody's connected lives. The store is highly experiential and a complete game changer for the industry. There are a range of different digital experiences for people to explore. And this starts at the storefront, where we have content running across some high-level LED cubes. Then at the very beginning, there's an AR journey with a virtual concierge who walks you through the different zones within the store that you can experience. And then inside the store, there's different areas, including Connected Home, which is a living room set, whereby people can go into that environment, imagine themselves in their own home, and work through a digital self-serve tool where they can build their own home, plot in what products they currently have, and then the tool advises on what complementary products that they would suggest.
The heart of the space is this stage area, which is a very flexible space, and it's got this ongoing program of events. So we're doing talks, competitions, demonstrations, and some product launches in the first few weeks. And this is a really important part of the concept of moving from sort of static retail that doesn't change into more of a programmatic experience and inviting people and the community back into the brand to keep revisiting. It's really the spirit of everything we're trying to do. We have a live product in the hands of the consumer in context with its surroundings, so very much how you would experience it in your home or when you're out.
The back of the store features two highly contrasting spaces, a gaming area and the digital spa, a space that provides a moment of respite from digital activations.
One's very calm with the spa, and it's a way of moving to this serene and calm and meditative space where you almost use technology to get away from the everyday. Whereas the gaming space is very high octane, high on energy. It's very high contrast and dramatic, so very stimulating. So you've got something that's very calm and something that's very stimulating. I think brands kind of represent something about people's lives, and people are gravitating towards brands that align with their values. So more and more of retail's moving online. And in some way, brands are losing a meaningful connection with consumers. They're not necessarily having a dialogue. It's hard to have an emotional connection with an e-commerce website. And so then we have this experiential pop-ups, flagship stores and activations that have become ways of spending time with a brand and having a meaningful connection, like a two-way dialogue.
I think what we need to remember is the backdrop of the fact that technology was supposed to come and make our lives simpler and easier and more efficient. And unfortunately, over the last few years, that mission really hasn't come to fruition. We've designed this in such a way that we are cutting through all the jargon, simplifying the product choice for consumers as well, whether that's with self-serve tools in store, experiences, or professional advice from the customer advisors.
The vision from the client really, they want to move towards being more of a tech brand than a supplier of data, effectively. And so this concept looks at all the different ways that technology can enhance your life. So if it's about how to make your home more connected, or how to exercise well with technology, or how to game really well with your friends, and again also how to disconnect using the spa. These are all the different aspects of life, learning, working, different ways that technology can support your life.